How to control blood sugar levels with a boiled egg. The blood sugar levels in your body rise after every time you eat something, especially if you are a type 2 diabetic or insulin resistant. It is not easy to learn how to get your blood sugar levels under control. It can take a newly diagnosed patient several months to figure out what they can and cannot eat. While figuring this out, a patient with type 2 diabetes will likely have some spikes in their sugar levels. Having high blood sugar is important to take seriously, as it can cause some serious health issues. If you have high blood sugar for too long, it can cause you to be more at risk for heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, vision issues and nervous system problems. Luckily, there are many foods that you can consume which will help you to control your blood sugar levels naturally, without medication. One such remedy only contains 3 ingredients to keep your blood sugar stabilized. You will need apple cider vinegar, water, hard-boiled egg. Hard-boiled eggs are a great snack if you have diabetes because it is so high in protein. The protein in the egg helps you to feel full without causing your blood sugar to rise quickly. Protein slows down your digestive system and your body's absorption of glucose. This is extremely beneficial to people with diabetes. Apple cider vinegar makes your body more sensitive to insulin and helps your body from raising your blood sugar quickly. This is especially true after eating food that is high in starch. There was one study done in particular that showed positive results with type 2 diabetics when they took apple cider vinegar before eating a meal high in glucose. How to do it? Boil an egg in the afternoon and peel it. Pierce the egg 2 to 3 times using a toothpick. Put the egg in a mason jar and pour just enough vinegar over it so that it is completely covered. Close the jar and let it soak overnight in your refrigerator. The next morning, drink a glass of warm water and eat your egg. Repeat this every day. Soon, you will notice that your blood sugar levels have improved and are more stabilized. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.